Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Guinness sponge or strong back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, all of the recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my Guinness sponge or Jamaican strong back. Here I have my oats. Also have almond, raw almond. Supligen, Guinness. I also have some grated nutmeg, and this is freshly grated. Also have my peanut, raw peanut, vanilla flavoring. I also have my condensed milk, and this condensed milk contains cinnamon, vanilla and nutmeg. And of course I also have my blender. The first thing that I'm gonna do now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my peanut to my blender. And guys, please note that I wash my peanut before I blend it. I'm also gonna add the almonds and the oats. Now guys, you could use a little water to blend this, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use the Guinness to blend my oats, my cinnamon and my peanut together. So I'm just gonna add the Guinness, and please note guys, I tilt the blender to the side because I don't want the Guinness to foam up a lot. So I just tilt it and then add the liquid to the blender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this for 4 minutes and then I'll get back to you. So guys, after 4 minutes, this is what my blended almonds, peanuts, Guinness and oats look like. No lumps. So what I did, I went ahead and just throw it out in a bowl because I'm going to go ahead now and sweeten it. So before I add the condensed milk to sweeten, I'm just going to go ahead and add the Supligen. Now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the nutmeg. And guys, please note that this nutmeg is freshly grated. Also guys, if you want, you could go ahead and add cinnamon powder. So I'm just adding the vanilla flavoring now. And you just want to combine that together. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the condensed milk. And guys, please note that while you're adding the condensed milk, you want to mix because you don't want the condensed milk to settle in the bottom. So I'm just mixing. And guys, please taste also because sometimes it might want a little bit more spice. Even though the condensed milk contains the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the vanilla, you might want to add a little bit more. So guys, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So guys, after sweetening, this is what my Guinness sponge or Jamaican strong back look like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. This is an easy recipe guys. Hope you try it out. Thank you so much for watching.